In all my years of experience as a CPO, privacy consultant, and privacy trainer, I've had dozens of conversations about PIAs, and they all boil down to this. Privacy professionals completing PIAs aren't sure what all the questions mean, and they're not sure what to write. Privacy professionals want to do a better job and stop spinning their wheels. The Privacy Pro Academy developed the PIA workshop to address these exact concerns. Our one-day live online workshop is taught by experienced instructors who are former chief privacy officers. You'll complete the Privacy Pro PIA template in class using a case study, and we'll take it up together. After class, you'll take away 3 things. The Privacy Pro template that you can use for future PIAs in your organization, the PIA that we complete together in class, and a PIA completed by the Privacy Pro as our suggested solution to the case study. So, stop spinning your wheels and register for our next workshop.